To watch the latest from India Science, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press on the bell icon to get notifications on all the science-related videos.
Hello, this is Harsha Sharma and a very warm welcome to today's COVID Bulletin. Let us begin with our first story. Indian Council of Medical Research has cleared that the rising case of COVID-19 patients in some states cannot be directly linked to the COVID-19 mutant strains. As per ICMR's Director General Balram Bhargav, some states including Maharashtra have seen a spurt in cases of COVID-19 in the last few days. But this rise is not directly related to the mutant strains N440K and E484Q. Both these strains are not limited to India and have been found in other countries as well. Also, these strains are not new for India as these strains have been seen in some states before as well. The E484Q strain has been previously detected in Maharashtra in the months of March and July, and the N440K mutation has been reported on 13 separate occasions in Telangana, Andhra Pradesh and Assam between May and September last year. Therefore, the recent increase in cases of coronavirus infection in Maharashtra cannot be linked to these strains. According to the central government, the situation is being monitored constantly, and as soon as any scientific evidence is found in this regard, it will be relayed to the public. Well, moving on to the next story, here is the good news. Single dose of Pfizer and AstraZeneca COVID-19 vaccines have been found to be effective in two separate studies. Single-dose vaccines are the need of the hour in the COVID-19 struck world. They can speed up vaccination drives, reduce the cost, optimize vaccine supplies and shortages. As per a recent correspondence submitted by Israeli scientists to the Lancet Medical Journal, Pfizer was found to be 85% effective in providing immunity against COVID-19 virus 15 to 28 days after vaccination. The data of the study is based on the 9,109 healthcare staff of the Sheba Medical Center who were vaccinated. Similar affirming news for the Oxford AstraZeneca vaccine has also come. This news is based on the study that has been submitted to the Lancet and is currently under review. As per the study, a single dose of Oxford AstraZeneca vaccine offers 76% protection against COVID-19 symptoms. This level of protection was offered 22 days after the single dose administration. Both of these vaccines, which are already approved in various countries, can help the government rethink their immunization policy to hasten their vaccination drives. Scientists at IISER Bhopal have made a unique AI-based system named Crowd and Mask Monitoring System. This system raises an alert if social distancing protocols are not followed and if people are not wearing masks. Amid the rising cases of COVID-19 cases in India, this equipment will help in adherence to social distance protocols as the universities brace up to open up in the near future. This new equipment is AI-powered with a high-definition camera attached to a microchip computer and a 5D battery in 3D printed case. If the camera detects the violation of social distancing norms or a person who is not wearing a mask, it raises an alert in a pre-recorded voice. The scientists are planning to open source the complete system so that it can be used by authorities and others in the marketplaces to curb the spread of this infection. Let's hear more on this from our experts.
Social distancing and mask, these two are the basic requirement in this pandemic time. So as our institute, IISER Bhopal, is currently bringing back the students, we are looking for some way to ensure that. Now manual policing is very difficult and also logistically impossible because there will be several thousand students on the campus. So what we came up with, this idea of incorporating machine learning and artificial intelligence to find a solution. Now this device has a camera and an embedded, so you can see the camera here, and there is an embedded computer inside. You can see the ports, several ports here, and then a speaker. So the speaker sound will come from this port. Okay, and what it does is it will take some pictures and videos and then do some data analysis like image processing, which is based on artificial intelligence and machine learning, and accordingly it will detect if the students are wearing mask or not, and also if there is at least 3 feet distance between two persons. If not, then it will send a signal to the speaker and it will generate an alarm.
That's all for now. You can share your feedback and suggestions to us on the email ID flashing on your screen. And for more such videos, download India Science app or visit our website www.indiascience.in. And do not forget to follow us on social media. We will be back with another edition of COVID-19 Bulletin soon. Take care.